Hey there, creative minds and freelancers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, Colette, and today we got a game changer for you. But before we dive in, remember to hit the subscribe button. We're almost at the end of the month, and I've noticed that 90% of you are watching but still not part of our fantastic community. It just takes a second to hit the subscribe button. So what are you waiting for? Click that button and join our party. Now, let's get into it. Today's video is about the secret of using Upwork Connects effectively. If you're a freelancer looking to land those dream gigs, you're in the right place. And if you're a client seeking top-tier talent, then stick around. This knowledge will help you connect with the best of the best. So grab your notepad and let's dive into the world of freelancing excellence. Key point 1. All right, folks, let's kick things off with our first key point. Optimizing your profile. Your Upwork profile is your digital business card. It's how you introduce yourself to the world, and you want to make a stellar first impression. From a killer profile picture to a captivating bio, we got you covered. Key point 2. Now let's talk about the essential topic of Connects Allocation. We'll reveal the golden rule for deciding how to spend your Connects wisely and increase your chances of winning those premium projects. We're talking about a winning strategy here. Key point 3. Next up, we'll delve into the art of writing proposals that pop. We'll share the tips and the tricks to real-life examples of proposals that grab the client's attention, ensuring you to stand out from the competition. Trust me, this is a game changer. Key point 4, but wait, there's more. We'll also be covering the effective client communication because it's not just about winning the project, it's also about building a strong, lasting relationship with your clients. We've got some pro tips to keep your clients coming back for more. Key point number 5, last but not least, we'll explore the power of reviews and feedback. Your track record on Upwork matters, and we will show you how to turn positive feedback into a magnet for more opportunities. You won't want to miss this. It's pure gold. That's a wrap. We've just scratched the surface of using Upwork Connects effectively. If you found these tips valuable, remember to like this video, share it with your fellow freelancers, and of course, subscribe if you haven't yet. It's just a click away. So go ahead and implement these strategies and start making your mark in the world of freelancing. Remember, every second counts, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling, keep smiling, and keep rocking those freelancing projects. And don't forget to be freelantastic.